As October and Domestic Violence Month wind down, Greensboro Police want to remind you about the free resources available for anyone in need. As WFMY News 2's Itanese McMiller explains, this comes as the city sees an increase in domestic violence.
Yeah, Julie, no one wants to lose a loved one, and certainly not to abuse. And it's a growing trend here in Greensboro, unfortunately. In Greensboro, police say about 19% of this year's homicides were domestic related. And that is why today GPD, the Family Justice Center, and other city agencies came together to shine a light on the issue and encourage survivors to reach out for help. Greensboro Police Chief John Thompson says they've received nearly 300 domestic violence calls this year, which surpasses their numbers for last year.
A few incidents where we've not had any interaction with the homicide victim or the couple that are involved in domestic violence. There were no calls to their house. Police were not involved. They were not involved with DSS. They were not involved with the Family Justice Center. And then when the incident happens, there are people that are friends, that are family, that knew something was going on.
One way to prevent domestic violence death is by getting help before it's too late. The director for the Family Justice Center says just this morning she attended the funeral of a domestic violence homicide and doesn't want another family to experience that grief. And that's why she's pushing for the public to take advantage of the Family Justice Center. It's a one-stop shop for abuse victims.
The Family Justice Center is a large partnership, and in this one place we have 17 different agencies that are working shoulder to shoulder, side by side, who all have a varied expertise from civil legal services to advocacy to medical care through Cone Health. You can come through our doors as long as it's in the morning. You can access that service never leaving this building.
And despite the rise in homicides, the Family Justice Center has helped 13,000 people this year. Chief John Thompson says he doesn't know why they're seeing an uptick because every situation is unique. And a survivor was brave enough to share her story, hoping to get other victims to come forward and have the courage to leave. Her story at 6.